Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to text chat on controller in Battlefield 6. Alright, let's begin. If you're playing Battlefield 6 on PlayStation or Xbox, you can use text chat directly from your controller. While in a match, press the Options button on your controller. Next, press the touchpad on PlayStation or the View button on Xbox. This will open the text chat window on your screen. Once the chat window is open, you can switch between team or squad chat by using the R1 button. To send a message to everyone, press X to select Write All. Type your message using the on-screen keyboard and confirm to send it. Your message will immediately appear in the chat for other players to see. You can repeat this process anytime by pressing Options and opening the chat window again. If you want faster typing, you can also connect a small keyboard to your console. Additionally, you can explore controller settings to remap buttons and make the chat menu quicker to access. So, that's basically how you can text chat on controller in Battlefield 6. That's it for this video. Thanks.